The transmission software just got a full upgrade. Want to make your embroidery workflow faster and smarter? In just 3 minutes, I will show you how to wirelessly transfer your embroidery designs to your machine via Wi-Fi. First, go to cloud.institch.com, scroll down, and find Transmission Software. Then click Open. Once inside, look to the left side of the screen and click Add Machine. You will be taken to a new page where you will need to enter your embroidery machine's unique serial number and verification code. So, where can you get this information? Go to your embroidery machine's touch screen. Tap the Setting button in the bottom left corner. Tap User. First, tap Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a very stable and strong network. Then, click Device Link. Here, you will see your machine's unique serial number, verification code, and the QR code. Please note, there is a synchronizing pattern to the platform button. If you don't want to sync your embroidery designs from machine to transmission software, you can turn it off. After you are clear about this information, go back to transmission software. You can either enter unique serial number manually or tap Scan the code to scan your QR code from your machine's screen. Click Next. Enter your verification code. Click Connect. When your machine appears on the left side of the screen, the connection is successful. Now let's start uploading embroidery files. Please note, after successfully pairing for the first time, the embroidery designs on your machine will automatically sync to the software. This may take a moment, so please be patient. Once you see a green cloud icon next to the design, it means the sync is complete. After that, you will be able to upload new embroidery files to the machine. Click red Upload Pattern button. There is a window here asking you to select which machine to upload to. Yes, that means you can manage multi-embroidery machines with this software. Select the embroidery machine. Choose the embroidery pattern you want to upload. Click Open. When your file shows up here, it means uploaded is successful. See the little cloud icon next to the pattern name. Green means the file has been uploaded to the cloud. Green means it's already been sent to embroidery machine. Now back to the embroidery machine screen. There it is. The embroidery pattern has been successfully uploaded. The cloud platform is the biggest highlight of this transmission software upgrade. It means as long as your machine has been linked to your account. Even if the machine is turned off or not connected to the internet, you can still upload your embroidery files using Wi-Fi transmission. Once the machine connects to Wi-Fi again, it will automatically sync your embroidery designs from cloud. Pretty convenient, right? Go try it out now.